Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training. I'm here at Borley Beach, which is just down from Ulladulla along the coast of New South Wales, about 200 kilometres down from Sydney. It's a beautiful little cove, this beach. There's a jumping platform or a jetty you can see behind me there. Gorgeous little cove. Very easy to zip into on your way up from Bateman's Bay. Look, I've got a great tip for you this week. It's very easy. It's for Microsoft Excel and it's simply Control-1. If you're in a cell and you want to access the Format Cells panel, the one that used to come up automatically in version 2003 of Excel, but now it's been relegated to the background in version 2007 onwards. Very easy to bring up. Instead of right-clicking the cell when going to Format Cells, just use Control-1 and it'll bring that panel right up, which has all of your options when it comes to alignment, formatting, protection, anything you can do to format an individual cell. Great little tip, very easy to do. That's this week's T7 tip. I look forward to seeing you for next week's T7 tip.